Welcome to another video. Today we'll be showing you how to get more leads to your business with a very inexpensive software. This software is called My Lead Gen Secret. It's been around for a while. It's been around for more than half of the time I've been marketing, so well over 5 years, and it just continues to work. I get it periodically. Sometimes I don't use it. But I keep coming back to it, and so many more people are too. What's going to happen is you're going to get 100 free leads every single day. And if you refer someone to My Lead Gen Secret, you're going to start getting 200 leads per day. So if we look right here to my leads, you see I activated this yesterday. And I already started getting free leads, and the leads just compile. So in a few more hours, I'm going to get another 100 leads. And if we look here, my total leads, 27,000 leads that I get to email once per day. I just sent the email early, way late, around 1 something in the morning yesterday, today. So if you see right here, I sent it to 27,000, and I actually got 1,400 clicks. Only a 5% open rate. Well, I have 1,400 opens and 90 clicks, 5% open rate, 6% click through. Not the best, but these are cold leads, so I'm actually very happy for it being my first email with these leads. And some of these leads have been on my list for a long time. That I have 1,400 opens and 90 clicks, which could have been potential sales. If we come to the affiliate section, they have some pages to share. They actually have a new splash page. Let's see. I think this is the new one. Nice landing page. So you have a sales page that's very updated. And if we come back to affiliates, I've earned a few dollars with this program. 60 payout is $30. So in $5 more, one more sale, I'll get the cash out. And I never really promoted this. I had like 2 affiliates. I didn't really promote this. I just used it. So they have a little compensation plan. So your level 1 is going to be $5 a month, then 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you get 5 sales within a week, you're going to get a $100 bonus. So for every 5 new customers you refer, you see right here, if you do 25 new paid customers, you'll earn $500. They have some pre-built emails, ads, and banners. I actually added a banner to one of my websites today. You can buy the master swipe. They're supposed to be more high converting emails. You get a deal when you first become a member. If not, the price goes back up. And that's pretty much the gist of My Lead Secret. And yeah, that's it. It's very simple, to the point company. It's not a lot to talk about. Let me see. You see I sent the email last year. It's been a while. Last year I had 3,000 opens, 200 clicks, 11% open rate. So the open rate's decent, but I never at the time was that good at email, so I was pretty much just sending my link. Really had no psychology behind my emails. So, and I still, had a great open rate, click rate. So we're going to be testing My Lead Gen Secret out, and we're going to be updating you. So we'll see if we make some sales in some of my bigger programs. A lot of people are using ClickBank to test this system out. So you can use that as well. And yeah, I'll leave my link below so you can check it out. Add it to your marketing. It's $60 to get started, and then $30 a month. And if you ever cancel and reactivate, it's only going to be $30. You'll never have to pay that $60 again. And yeah, they have information on the affiliate program. And like I said, it's straight to the point. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Subscribe and thumbs up if you feel you got some value from this video. Have a good one.